Hello, students. I hope that all of you are good. Student, are you reading your English reader book? Today we are going to start novel, chapter 1, Recall to Life. Students, we have read earlier that Mr. Lorry has got a message from Telsil Bank and now he is in Royal Georgian. He is getting ready to go to the dining room to have his breakfast. And this day was going to be a very difficult day. Why it was going to be a difficult day? Because he has to handle something which was not related to finances, not related to a money matters, but something emotional. So he was not married and he had worked for Telson Bank for 30 years and he only knew that how to deal with money, not with humans, with the emotions of humans. So it was going to be a very difficult day for him. Mr. Lorry was wearing his brown suit, which was not very different from the other brown suits which he had worn during his long working life. And he had finished his breakfast when a waiter came and informed him that Miss Manette was ready to meet him. He said thank you to the waiter. Then he took a deep breath and he drank the last of his tea and went to Miss Manette's apartment. As he entered the apartment, he saw a young lady, not more than 17 years of age, standing by the fireplace. She was short in height and she had a blonde hair and blue eyes. And she was looking inquiringly at Mr. Lorry. And Mr. Lorry, when he looked at this lady, he recognized her as the same girl which he has seen about 16 years ago. Then the girl asked Mr. Lorry that, are you Mr. Lorry? Then she asked him that you must have come to meet me because of the matters relating to the property. Page number 17. Mr. Lorry said to Miss Manette that his relationship with her father was a purely business one, but not only business one, but he has also been interested with some personal matters, with some private matters. And then Lucy told Mr. Lorry that her father was a doctor. Her father was a doctor, and her mother is an English lady. She is from England. And then he is the one who has brought her to England, and Talton Bank has taken good care of her. And she praised Mr. Lorry that Talton Bank has done a good work in taking care of her. And then she asked Mr. Lorry that why he has come to meet her. Then Mr. Lorry told Lucy Manette that he has come to meet her to tell something about her father. Page number 18, 19, and 20. Mr. Lorry told Lucy that it is possible that her father is still alive, but he has greatly changed. He has forgotten everything about his whole life. He do not even remember his name. He has been found under different name. He is being taken care by his servant. One of the old servant is taking care of her father. He is going to Paris to identify him, and Lucy is going to Paris so that she could bring back her father and take care of her father. And Mr. Lorry even told Lucy that everything has to be kept a secret because the times were very hard one in France. No one should come to know about that Mr. Dr. Manette has been found. Everything has to be kept secret. While he was saying this, Lucy was going on looking at Mr. Lorry. She was still and silent. An expression on her face was of unconsciousness, as if she was unconscious. He called out for help. Then a large lady with red hair came along with a troop of servants and revived Lucy. Then Mr. Jarvis Lorry thought that Miss Pross should accompany them to Paris so that Lucy could be looked after. Proper care should be given to Lucy. So it was better that she also come along with them to Paris. And he asked Miss Pross that whether she will come with them or not, and she agreed to go with them to Paris. Student, we have completed chapter 1, and please go on reading the lesson. Write down the meaning of the difficult words. Thank you.